Hello there, hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Smiles on Essentials. My name is Lydia, and today I will be making soya milk. So, this is me picking out the soya beans because I noticed there are some dirt in it, like a little bit of stone, I think. Yeah, you can see that's the dirty things I was able to pick out from the soya beans. And yep, I didn't want to soak it without picking it first, which I think is the right thing. This is me just measuring it for the sake of measuring. 656 gram. Yep. And for some people, they actually soak it in the water for 5 hours, but I wasn't just ready to make my own the same day, so I just soaked it on the night. I soaked it overnight. Yeah. The next day, the soya beans was looking bigger than the size it was before I soaked it, which is normal. And yep, you can see I already rinsed it and I wanted to blend it. As for the net, the sieving net, I like to kind of soak mine in hot water before using it because that's just my preference. I prefer to soak mine in hot water for like 2-3 minutes is okay, depending on how you want it. And the first set of blended, actually not the first set, the soya beans was a lot for my blender, so I had to divide it into two places. I divided it into two parts because that way it's easy to blend and I could add enough water like I needed. So I divided my soya beans into two parts after figuring out that I had to fill, and I blended it 2 times. I blended 2 different sets. And this is the hot water I used to kind of just soak my sieve. It's my preference. You don't have to soak your sieve. Some people just rinse their sieve so far it's clean and use it like that. But I prefer to soak mine with hot water first and let it cool off before I use it for sieving. Yeah. And here comes the big deal. Yeah, it's time to sieve. Yeah. You can see the soya beans. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Let me put it that way. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Yeah. I squeezed out the soya milk and directly poured it into the frying pan, as you can obviously see, and remove the shaft somewhere. So I repeated the process several times until I was done sieving out the soya milk and separating the shaft from the milk. Yeah. That's the shaft that I could get from the old soya milk that I did. I hunt my cooker to middle heat. Is it middle heat? If that's the right thing to say, but yeah, it's not. I didn't make it too hot and I didn't make it too cold, so I didn't switch it to the coldest temperature, and I didn't make it on the hottest temperature either. So I just put it in the middle. And once you start boiling your soya milk, there will be foams on it. As you can see, I'm just removing the foams that are layered on the soya milk. So yeah. Boiling, it's getting boiled and getting ready. At this point I could already perceive the smell. Is it? Yeah, I think that's the right word. Yeah, I could perceive the scent of the milk. After boiling the soya milk, after removing all the foam, I cooked it for a period of 45 minutes. Depending on your preference, if you don't think it's rightly done, you can make yours for like 1 hour to be sure about how ready it is. And here we go, it's sieving time because I wanted to be so then when the soya milk was done, I decided to sieve it again, and you can see the congealed layers that were on the soya milk. So this is me removing the congealed layers, which is perfectly fine. I'm done sieving this already cooled down soya milk. So at this point, it's now a thing of what you would like, because I wanted a natural soya milk and also a sweetening soya milk. So I decided to make sweet soya milk and just a natural soya milk. I mixed my sugar with hot water. Like, I wasn't looking out to make a sugar syrup or something. I wasn't looking out to make a syrup. So I just mixed my sugar with warm water and a little bit of warm water and poured it in my soya milk. And that's how I got my sweetened soya milk. And the other part of my soya milk, I didn't sweeten it at all. I just left it natural so that I can use it for the kids, and if they want honey in it, it's nice. If they don't want honey, or yeah, anybody can actually use it the way they want it. If you want to take it naturally like that, but for me, I think I am more into the sweet one. And that's the end of the video. So sweet and natural soya milk, and that's how I make my soya milk in the house. And thanks so much for watching. Thanks for staying tuned with me. Have a wonderful time. I hope you try this process by yourself in the house. Hopefully it turns out fine for you, just as it did for me. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful, lovely evening, or wonderful, lovely day anytime you're watching this video. Thank you, and bye.